information of what I've experienced, I have had macular degeneration for 9 years. This started for me very young, very scary, and I've had 33 injections in my left eye, only to keep the eye, but unfortunately I lost the eyesight, legally blind in my left eye. About 3, maybe 4 months ago, I started to lose my eyesight in my right eye. And I did not want to go through 33 more injections in the eye. The anxiety of that, the pain of that, and then ultimately losing my eyesight was very scary to me. So I started to do a lot of research, and that research led me to Dr. Michael, and I immediately came in within a week of finding him and started to see him for my eyes. And I was very hopeful but doubtful, if I were to be completely honest with you. But I followed everything he told me to do, not only with the herbs he gives me, but coming in when he told me to come, and I really aggressively started to eat even better than I already did. And my right eye, which I was starting to lose my eyesight in, I started to immediately, within 3 visits, gain my right eyesight back. So that was all I needed to just stay on this journey with him. And at about 8 to 10 visits, I was in his office, and he had what was called an Amsler grid on his desk. And I avoid that grid because it's a point of anxiety for me that I can't see it. And he happened to have it on his desk, so I looked over at it, and I'm sure he can remember the look on my face because I closed my right eye and I was like, I can see the grid. And if you have macular degeneration, you know the grid is either very wavy or completely black in the middle, which was my experience with my left eye. And I could see the grid 8 visits in. So now I don't even know, maybe 15 visits in with him. I don't have to come nearly as often. And now I can see out of my left eye with no blur, with no black in the middle. And life has just become a lot easier for me, a lot more hopeful for me. I'm still quite young to have this disease, so I felt it was important to share with everybody something other than just the written word of what my experience is. He also treats me for a bad hip injury I got, and I had 2 years ago got this injury and seen a different physical therapist with no results. 8 months of a different physical therapist with no results. And in the time he's been treating my eye, he's been treating my hip, and I'm back to walking 3 miles a day, something I had given up 2 years ago. So I just wanted to give this information to help people who are dealing with these things that I'm dealing with.